EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for the weekend, April 4th and 5th, 2020. For your Saturday, we're expecting mostly cloudy skies, but that is going to include some intervals of sun today. This is not going to be a totally cloudy day, and I think there's a bit of a misconception with the term mostly cloudy. It doesn't mean overcast necessarily. It means that you could have some breaks of sun at some points. So if you look at your apps, and I'm not stupid, I know people look at different sources than just us for the weather. If you look at the apps, they'll all say, or most of them say, mostly cloudy, both Saturday and Sunday. That is generally true, but if you look at the NAM high-res future simulated satellite, you see these darker colors mixed in. The whites here, if you can't see the numbers, and that's fine. So I've had some people email us saying, well, I can't see these numbers on here. I can't read what they say. That's fine. The whiter and brighter white there is the more cloud cover there is. So if it's just a light grayish, you get some peaks of sun in here in between, and then if you get any of this pure black, it's there's no cloud in the sky, and that would be down here in this area here, which is West Virginia. Now, this is looking at early morning Saturday. As I progress through the day, you're going to have some times there's going to be mostly cloudy or overcast, but they're going to have breaks of sun in between here. Okay, so you're going to have the sun come out in intervals at different points in the afternoon, throughout the day, actually. And then overnight, you are mainly cloudy through the overnight period. And the same thing here for Sunday. Here Sunday morning, actually Sunday at noon, you have some areas here that are not completely cloudy. And you have some breaks in the action here before this cold front moves through. So just keep that in mind when we're talking about mostly cloudy. It does not mean overcast. So you will have some sun at times this weekend. Although it's not going to be... we're not expecting, full sun on either day. All right. So today, temperatures are going to be a little bit milder than yesterday, and we're also going to decrease the wind. So the wind that was still hanging around on Friday, I know it was really windy on Thursday and Thursday night. Friday, we had it bleeding in there at least to start the day, but then it died down later in the day. Not expecting wind today to be a factor. And once we get to Sunday, we have this cold front moving toward the region, but it's very moisture starved, as we talked about all week. So we're leaving a stray shower chance in the forecast, mainly for our southern areas here, as this moves through. And that's it. Okay. So stray shower in spots, not everywhere. But otherwise, you'll have partly to mostly cloudy skies here on Sunday as well. Okay. Some breaks of sun mixed in there. Until later in the day when the front comes through, then you're probably mostly cloudy at that time, or maybe overcast, okay? So then we get into Monday. Monday's going to be the winter day here because we have mostly sunny skies across the region, and we're going to have temperatures that are climb well into the 60s. Actually, this climb into the 60s is going to start on Sunday, if it doesn't already where you're at on Saturday. I think your upper 50s are thereabout generally across the region for Saturday, and then in the lower to middle 60s here for Sunday. Once we get into Monday, Tuesday, you're going to be pushing upper 60s and near 70 in some spots, so it's going to be... definitely turning warmer, but a beautiful day here on Monday with mostly sunny skies. And then Tuesday, we have this first system moving off to our south and west here. I think it stays there, so you're generally partly cloudy across the region, but then we'll call it partly to mostly cloudy because late in the day you have this next system coming at you that will come through in the overnight and bring some showers Tuesday night into Wednesday. So increasing clouds late on Tuesday, but you start off with sun in the morning, so partly cloudy to start it, and it will be another warm day, maybe even warmer than Monday. Maybe making a push to 70 in some areas here on Tuesday. So then this is Tuesday night. We have the showers coming in generally after midnight, and that continues into at least Wednesday morning, which is right here. Okay, and then in the afternoon you start to see this dissipate and go away. So for at least the early part of Wednesday, we'll see some showers with that first wave moving through. And then we turn partly cloudy overnight, start off partly cloudy Thursday, increasing clouds. You have another cold front coming through. This is on the lead of a trough, though, a strong cold front. This will keep temperatures from actually lower temperatures quite considerably from what they were pretty much most of this week, with the mid to upper 60s that we're expecting from Sunday through at least Wednesday. And then Thursday is kind of a transition day when this front comes through. Still lower 60s, though. And then when it goes through here on Friday, we're back to mostly sunny skies, but we're going to be much cooler with temperatures in the lower 50s and low to mid 50s for highs across the region. So it'll definitely feel a lot cooler than it will be for much of the upcoming week. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for the weekend, April 4th and 5th, 2020. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.